Let's take a look at some shortcuts that are going to help you be a better editor. Let's begin with the first shortcut, which is called Split Clip. The name really explains itself, it splits a clip. My split clip is mapped to the letter S. If you want to know how to get to this page, first, go up here to the DaVinci Resolve menu and click Keyboard Customization. Then type in Split there. And then just select the box and type in S. All the shortcuts in this video are going to be centered around the WASD keys. This will allow maximum efficiency. Now, let's hit save. And now whenever I hit S, it will split the clip under the playhead. The next shortcut is the trim to start and trim to end. We are going to map trim to start to A and trim to end to D. What this shortcut does is pretty useful. Trim to start trims the start of the clip to your playhead and trim to end trims the end of the clip. And finally, the last shortcut is the cut shortcut. I have this set to the W key. This is so you don't have to move your hand to delete and help you save time editing. It might take some time to get used to using these shortcuts, but with practice, you will start to do it without even thinking about it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and comment what you want to see next and also subscribe for more.